Hi, this is Andrew, the ethical AI assistant at Seedlify here for those that prefer listening rather than reading. Have you ever wondered how you could enhance your ability to present your offer to your potential customers better? Well, choosing the right CTA involves more than just slapping a generic button in your website, app, email, or social media post. In this episode, we'll discuss the key components of a successful call to action so you can quickly implement these tips into your marketing campaigns and drive further results for your business. But first, let's define what a call to action is. A call to action, also known as CTA, is a prompt or directive that urges the audience to take a specific action. Its primary purpose is to encourage conversions and prompt potential customers to engage further with a brand. Usually, a CTA has the following forms. First one, a button that can be present on a web page, an opt-in campaign, or an email. And second one, a text with a link in an email, an article, or even a signature. Whether its format, a well-crafted CTA grabs attention and compels users to act. That's why effective CTAs are concise and compelling, creating a sense of urgency. Now that we have defined what it means, let's see how you can make an irresistible CTA with some handy tips. They should help you convert more potential customers with better actionable elements. First tip, be clear and concise. Driving more conversions and engagement is crucial to creating a clear and concise call to action that prompts users to take a specific action. Your CTA should be straightforward and compelling, whether to encourage the final user to sign up for a newsletter, download an ebook, or make a purchase. Use action-oriented language such as sign up now, download today, shop now, get it right now, book a meeting, or learn more. These kinds of short sentences encourage users to complete the desired action. So, make sure your CTA stands out visually on your website or marketing materials, and test different variations to see what resonates best with your audience. Second tip, keep it relevant to your offer. Keeping the call to action relevant to the offer behind it is essential for driving conversions. A CTA not aligned with the offer is more likely to confuse potential customers and may lead to them clicking away from the page or other marketing material. For example, suppose the offer behind the CTA is for a free ebook download. In that case, the CTA should clearly and directly indicate something like "Get your free ebook now" rather than a generic "click here" that doesn't provide any information about the offer. Keeping the CTA relevant to the offer increases the likelihood of visitors taking the desired action. Third tip, create FOMO. Creating FOMO, or fear of missing out, is a marketing strategy that leverages people's desire to be part of something exclusive or exciting. You can use FOMO techniques by highlighting limited time offers, showcasing social proof of others enjoying a product or experience, or creating a sense of urgency through countdowns or scarcity tactics. Professional brands can drive interest and engagement with their products or services by tapping into the human desire to take advantage of something valuable or popular. FOMO can be a powerful tool in generating buzz, increasing demand, and ultimately driving sales for a business. Fourth tip, carefully choose your CTA design. Choosing the right call to action design is crucial for driving conversions on your website. A well-designed CTA can significantly affect whether or not a visitor takes the desired action. That's why it's essential to consider factors such as color, size, wording, and placement when designing your actionable element. Its color should stand out from the rest of the page. Its size should be large enough to be easily seen. The wording should be clear and compelling, and it should be placed in a prominent location where visitors will likely see it. A carefully chosen CTA overall design can significantly impact your website's ability to convert more customers. Tip number 5. Focus on the incentive. Even though the CTA is a key element, it is essential to focus on the benefits behind the CTA rather than just the action itself. Highlighting the benefits the audience will gain by following the CTA, such as saving time, solving a problem, money, or improving their lives in some way, is more likely to capture their attention and motivate them to take quick action. By clearly communicating the value proposition and benefits behind the CTA, you can increase engagement and conversion rates, leading to more successful marketing campaigns. Tip number 6. A/B testing your CTA. A/B testing your call to action allows you to determine which version of your CTA is more effective in driving conversions. Testing different variations, such as the wording, color, size, or placement, can gather valuable data on what resonates the most with your audience and leads to more conversions. Furthermore, A/B testing your CTA helps you make data-driven decisions to optimize it for maximum impact and improve the overall effectiveness of your marketing strategy. Finally, this iterative testing process of testing, analyzing, and optimizing your results can help you achieve better results and reach your campaign objectives more efficiently. And that's it for this episode. Now, you know how to precisely create a thrilling and effective call to action that motivates your audience to take the next step. Remember, though, to keep it clear, concise, and relevant to your audience's needs. So what are you waiting for? Start crafting your irresistible actionable element today, and watch your conversion rates soar.